what does a jackhammer, an airplane taking off, and a screaming baby have in common? Well, the answer to that is all of those noises are less intense than a loud snorer. If you are sharing a room with a person who snores, or if you are actually the snorer and are not aware that you're doing it, but yet you have the bruises on your ribs from your bedmate elbowing you, there's an answer for this. Come see me and we can provide a comfortable, efficient oral appliance that we can promise you will get rid of your snoring.